Looking for cost-effective corrugated box machinery, the Suzhou Rencheng Model 1224 integrated corrugated box machine is a highly cost-effective solution designed exactly for this purpose. Its professional equipment highly integrates three-colored printing, slotting, creasing, corner trimming, and die cutting, completing our process in a single pass to significantly boost plant efficiency and save labor costs. In terms of operational performance, the equipment manufacturing speed reaches 80 to 120 pieces per minute. The front-edge vacuum suction feeding system protects corrugated boards while ensuring stable registration accuracy. Supported by a PLC touchscreen and electric phase adjustment, this system delivers easy operation and fast order changeovers, making it highly user-friendly for beginners. Premium components combined with automatic lubrication guarantee long-term stable and fully automated operation. Contact our specialized technical sales team today for tailored factory automation packaging solutions. And remember to subscribe to our official channel for more advanced industry insights.